abatwa sikasem yedi wura mu no eno na me ne honorable twetwe nkomo no me de tu dwa no se Ghana mrade ye nyina yenim eno honorable kan so e lawyer ntina eho no onu ahu se aso opem kwa enye yie because of the fact that onu anim se etiamra from our PNDC law, and of course emra no ekre pefe sesiketua no enye PNDC law 284 section 34 na or say a person commits the offense of treating if he corruptly either himself or through another person before, during and after an election gives or provides or pays wholly or in part the expenses of giving or providing meat, drink, entertainment or provision to or for any person for the purpose of corruptly influencing that person or another person to vote or refrain from voting, or on account of that person or another person having voted or refrained from voting or being about to vote or refrain from voting, or B, if he corruptly accepts or takes any meat, drink, entertainment, or provision offered in circumstance and for the purposes mentioned in paragraph A of this section. Eye clear. Tikranye sikanko. Anything bia yebeye ye de be mankrofo omokoto aba. Se bia de be hwe onkutu pase de okoto ama ase mesinti wonya ato anaso won fa nkoto mayen ana ye de be influence nipa no. Etiamra etiabato no hyehyeye mu mra ene yenim. And that is why anami bisa honorable wa ha no. Na oyesa akwa TNT ena ye ka se ombe free chiraba ena ombe se ya na politicians be defending. Say ya by yenim say in the face of the law emre nanim no enya de papa hwema mi wo se ya jeha ba ko de mai nti eno aya asem papa ba ko de wo se ba ko na ne de mai nti no adwene no de koto bank be ye fair election fair vote no wo se say ameduru obesesan enti ya accept sa de no se agese ya gisika ansa na ya to aba ya sika to ya dwene ansa na sika na kire ye de ye nfa nko because papa we de o kan no ta na kire se sika no ebeduru de a eno be direct ni ba bi a wo nfa nko sa amade a ene ebekwa. And that is how ye leaders say baby a eduru no nya se nipa de na dwene ana de ohunu se enkoyie no de koto aba but on due influence ne beden yakoyenim. And na ye ka kwan ye befa so and I ask honorable say kwan be ne ye befa so see ye nyina ye betena se o se gi see ye nyina ye tena se ne ye but me de me suggestion ni one, all the political parties ewo maimu enim say omu delegates koto aba ombefa ka into you name it TNT instead of bribe fine. Now candidates now omu gina no it has become obvious to say they are capable of giving delegates TNT. Any etini. Mumpe mon constituencies ni nyina across the country. Na at the prevailing rate no TNT never cost on at each constituency no. Mon calculate. Na mon share among the candidates no. Na obia wo mumpia te say de moji wo 4 million Ghana cedi 40 billion wo be register wo fa nomination form no matria no ma say atua we no munyini nyina nka ho na fe constituency bi obia kwagena ba sika no free party wo and free candidate wo to influence them one sika no a free party wo na ne candidates na atua account te say de moji 4 million zam de party operations no na nka mo age no so aka akoye TNT that will be shared for omo e be free chichiri aba beto aba no ni ate say TNT not bribe nanka say scan free party no aba ti e be ko each constituency then the party chairman will be in charge of it no match check to all the parties whether MPP or NDC if they are doing it in a delegate form. Another aspect in so ne say ye be biem said the professor from Boatin e dey call or they call Supreme Court or other people they go so munya delegate system no because you say 211,000 wɔn bɛsese sɛ wɔn ɛba abɛto ne nyinaa no bi a metua se yɛ bɛyɛ se baasi nipa no dɔɔso bebree a ne tua bɛyɛ den nti ɛbɛma kwan mu obiara agya etua na ni abatoɔ no yɛato no fɛ na biribi akɔ yie enti no saa wɔn bɛ biem na register no yɛ expand no na free saa delegate system no say ye nipa kakra bi na ekoto aba no na nke yama every active member within that party no or constituency bia no beto aba ke no so betumi ama say sikatua na ekoso on due influence no etimi afiri ho. These are two ways betumi aboa anya saa mo se encourage eka bibi many honorable kasa no so encourage de why na adwen so beto akọ beto ma me voice am boy no. And I was asking him questions based on what I've heard and seen. Nhyira. Osisa medru dia ne me dane me nsa akwa. Timon kan kire dutum. So, you see, a hardwene and we need to start thinking because edru ba bia bi kura nya wo mo a ye pe wo mo so wo mo di yen kan no senke ye to ne failure ke bia nke ye obi foforo. Yen sesa no ma ne hwe no ma yi. Embrand da wonso ye be shada and we frame and ye but we know that we are bribing them. That is the truth. We know that we are bribing them. This is not TNT bia. Yeah, ye nyai sa de no. Nhyira 104.5.